Big Blue in action. Our guillotine shear. It's like supposed to be gravity fed. Probably 300-400 pounds. The only thing I don't like about the design is that you kind of have to force the material down with the crane or it won't chop anything. I mean, I think it's a good concept. You put something in and it just feeds itself, but I don't think that's the case because he has to grab onto the material and force it down as you see. And it only cuts about like 3-4 inches at a time. It's supposed to be like 2 or 3 feet. Just like little pieces. It really likes the bales though. When they log up all the material, that's when they get some good production out of that machine. Clean up this mess and make a new mess. Hopefully we can get this cleared out this week. That's the goal. That piece doesn't want to be recycled. L60 transmission right there, a little Chevrolet. I wish I could have a bin for the sealed units, but the sealed units have to be in cardboard boxes, so that's why I don't have one for the sealed units. If anybody is wondering. smaller and smaller. They're gonna have probably 2 bins of clip by the time I get my bins back. Stack of these transformers like right about there on the other side of the baler. Big old piece of aluminum right there. What my boss calls a shredder killer right there. I'm not gonna get out of this for $6. He can wait. One more. Uno más. Uno más. Uno más. Angle right. Okay. Haven't sheared at all. That one's got a steel piece. see if I was right. How much he's bringing in. Well, $9 out back. What do we got? Motors. Motors. Yeah.
All of them?
Except for that one in the middle. Yeah, that one and that one. That one, the square one. That's gonna go over there. Are you doing the reel and stuff? I have the same reel at home. Exact same one.
Really?
Yep. Might keep that for parts. But we're gonna weigh it, of course. That's gonna go right there. Yep. So far he brought me in almost $4. The motors? Yep. Yeah, you gotta take that apart.
That motherfucker.
Yeah, you gotta take them apart. How does this come apart? Down,
fucking little nuts
down in there. Yeah, right down in there.
Nothing to fucking take this shit off.
I apologize for the swearing. Some people just can't help themselves. It's amazing. So he brought me $8 and probably a pound of wire. Okay. Let's see. Three pounds. 2 pounds. 2 pounds. All right. $21.
Want a boat?
No.
No? This, right here, right?
Yeah. Right there.
The other.
See if it'll come out of the oak. No. No. Yep. We'll see. I show you. I show you. No. You hold it. You hold.
Okay.
Trick. Be all right. It'll be all right. $504. Those batteries? What? 2 battery.
Motor too, okay?
Yeah. Oh, the alternator too.
Huh?
The alternator.
Alternator too?
Yeah.
Same place?
See. What's that?
The AC compressor?
Yeah, AC compressor different.
Okay.
Oh, there was another one right here. Yep. Yes. No, no.
right.
No, because you put the compressor on there.
Okay, okay.
81. Motors.
Yeah. How many pounds?
504.
504?
Yeah. For
504?
both. See. $110. Wire.
Steady, right?
Yeah.
Computer? Oh. This?
Computer. Dirty.
Dirty. Yeah.
Dirty. 30. Eh. 257. There's Jacob. You do your taxes yet?
Huh?
You do your taxes yet?
Yeah, I did my tax.
Did you include YouTube in there?
Yeah, so I did.
I did. Yeah.
Alright, you want to start off?
I learned that you can claim up to 75% of your phone bill. You can your internet.
Yeah.
And if you have a certain spot in your house that you do all your stuff, you can be able to claim like 10% of your mortgage.
See, that's not bad. Did you
It's on 0. You're doing clean, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
That
Like
goes to this.
I did it. I don't want them. I was just trying to make it clean, but I don't have a screwdriver.
Should just unscrew, right?
Well, yeah, if you can get it to. Just trying to get the truck clean for tonight.
Oh no, I had it clean. Then I told Jacob whatever he puts in here,
You can have.
he was saying he wanted money. I was like, yeah. I was like, load it up. Whatever you put in there.
Look at brand new pots and pans, brand new.
I find hundreds of them.
Never been used.
Online and no one ever takes them.
Those are brand new. What the heck, Jeff?
No one has a stain on it.
That's all right. Does that go to that? No.
No, they probably go to the ones that we already threw in.
That goes to that. These are just junk. I don't want them. I don't need them.
No, I mean it probably goes.
Oh, yeah. The only pots and pans that I collect are cast iron.
Yeah. And no, most of those you won't see come from me because Jesse likes them.
That what? Jesse likes them?
Yeah.
So I won't get them is what you're saying.
Well, unless she already has one like it, or because she don't collect all of them, she just wants one size of everything.
Ah.
Heavy or light, whatever this is.
Light. Yep.
Same one. Huh?
Yep. Oh, that missed. Off my shot today. I'm not on my game. You gonna strip that wire?
These? No, he put them in here. I'm gonna keep to my word.
Losing money, sir.
Hey, but that's the other thing. If I take it out, he'll feel like his work was worthless.
Ah.
I want to let him know that putting some work in will pay off.
Yeah?
Especially
You're saving this, right?
Yeah, that one I'm saving. That one was already in here. He didn't put that in. I got that from
This?
Yep, he put that in. There's another one.
So 3/4.
Or
3/4.
yeah, something like that.
Technically, it should be a half. Technically.
You want to do wires?
Sure. Hold on. All right.
This is where you're going to make the most money.
The other wire?
Good wire. I should have showed him how to strip it, but
That's too dangerous for him.
no, on my machine it has finger guards. and
Oh,
everything.
okay. Well, he made $100.
And that's not even all of it yet. I mean, none of it's truly heavy. You just gotta think, he loaded it up himself.
What is it?
Well, I mean everything. Between the wires.
My battery died. That one he's gonna have to clean. This one he's gonna... I can chop that off. it's got brass on it. There goes my radio.
Why is it the big ones don't have?
Some of them do, some of them don't. Every company's different. So we.
So it ain't really good.
Yeah, the big ones are more than likely they don't. All the rest of it.
This one.
1, 2, 3. And then this is yours.
Did you weigh that yet?
Not yet.
Let's take only a second. Wow, that's some heavy copper.
Good luck with that.
Hey kid, everything but this piece.
Yeah. You got to get those off of there, though, because I have to chop them off with the shear.
No, that's what I'm saying. I just said it. Hey kid, everything but this piece, but maybe.
Dirty brass. Dirty brass. Oh, there's Nacho. 7. 7 and 1. Copper. 130. One chair. Look at you. Look at you. Does a stroller count as a chair? No. Well, no.
Should I do like a
stroller
on the video?
What? Come on, man.
Come on, man. Do my darling.
Does that count as a chair? A stroller?
I don't know what you're
I know, but that would be a baby chair, but it's a stroller. So it's not technically a chair. So let's mark that down one more. We need that lawnmower engine.
Yeah,
Isn't it great? And 26 on motors, so I don't forget. And then the guy's here to buy a tank. Junkman 5000 asked me to keep an eye out for a 250-gallon tank for his neighbor. So he wants to turn into a smoker for a church because he's a pastor. So there it is.
So what day are we closed in March?
What's that?
What day are we closed in March?
For inventory?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know that. He just randomly decides when there's too much stuff in the yard. It's like, okay, we're gonna shut down. Hopefully it's not on a Friday.
Yeah.
That's one of our busier days.
And then on Monday
This week,
Good.
the frying pan. No. Then let's see.
These poles might have some steel.
No, they're fine. These are dirty brass. Dirty brass. That one light right behind you. Those are aluminum. Those are brass.
How's Jill's husband?
He's here. He's better. I mean, he'll never be 100%. He's got COPD, so every now and again he has to go to the hospital because he gets, I don't know if it's too much fluid in his lungs or whatever it is. Years of smoking.
Yeah.
Yes, I know.
And then you work in the yard.
All the dust in the yard too. It's especially now.
Yeah.
Now until about to the end of next month. And then it becomes a mud fest.
Yeah.
Yeah. I heard 419 is paying 9 cents. It's 9? What's that? We're only at 5.5.
$5.
No, I'm talking about 10.
Oh yeah, yeah. We're not gonna drop much in here.
No. And then you got wire, right?
Yes, that's my bag of money.
I know we pay more than they do for the wire. Except 10.
The man got so pissed. The Spanish people, you know. Everything breakage.
How much? 11? Well, we're 18 and 25.
And I was on Mark 33 and 22.
What's that?
What you were paying him for light onions.
Let's see. And then we got extrusion. One piece of extrusion. One piece of extrusion.
Did you get that stuff?
Yeah, we got it. Yeah.
Oh no, I didn't get that out of the back. Yeah, no, I wanted you to do it. Do something, earn somebody's money.
74.
$74
Yep.
already?
Yep. Ho ho ho.
What are you making faces about now? You got another bad joke?
Yes. Not like what I just told you, but we can't say that. Yes, it's not. Yes, it's not. That's a bench, right?
It's a bench.
It's not a chair.
Not a chair.
Not a chair. Technicalities.
Not a chair. That's clean, right?
Correct.
Are these clean?
Did you wash them?
No, they're dirty.
Those are dirty. Those are bad. Holy.
Yeah, they're nasty.
You got a way out. But if you were in the car, you got to be with him. Okay. You got to weigh out first. Right behind you? Oh, no, that's steel, isn't it? That looks like metal.
That's light. That's half and half. It's half and half.
What's that?
This is still clean, right? Yeah. She's still clean.
See how they try you? See how they try you? See? I bet that happens. I bet that happens at the other scrap yards.
Where are they weighing out from?
Out back.
So what, they went to 10 and then weigh out?
And then come in here, and then they would go and weigh out and get paid twice for the weight of the metal. Ah. Yep. Brilliant.
I like that. They're about to try it. Paid twice. I like that. Educate me, I'm cheating.
Educate you.
Brass?
Sure. If it hits the ground, it's
And that's
mine.
exactly how you don't make money.
Two. Why is a one-night stand with a man like an earthquake?
Like an earthquake. I have no idea.
Because you never know how long it'll last.
You never know how long it'll last. I don't like these doctor ones.
Okay, well, since you're doing that, I gotta go way.
How do pupils get straight A's?
How do pupils get straight A's? I don't know.
By using a ruler.
What's the difference between love, lust, and showing off?
Love, lust, and what?
Showing off.
Showing off. I plead the fifth.
Spit, swallow, and gargle.
What does the man on the moon use instead of plates?
What does a man on the moon use instead of saucers?
Close.
Flying saucers.
Satellite dishes.
Ah, saucers is a good one. What's the difference between a golf ball and a G-spot?
A ladder?
A guy will spend hours looking for a golf ball.
Isn't that the truth?
What's going on, man?
What letter is the most popular with golfers?
What?
T.
T. Yep. Louie, Louie, come here. Come here, Louie. What you doing, bud? Sit. You sit. Sit. Hey.
Sit.
Sit. What's this? What's this, Louie?
Give me your paw.
Shake. Give me paw. Good boy.
Give me your other paw.
My other paw?
Other paw.
No. Other paw? It's all right. He's a good boy. Right there, huh, Louie? He's like, I know where the treats are.
Yeah, he came right out.
You went out back?
Huh?
Did you go out back?
I dumped already, yeah.
In the van?
Yep. Bent my gate. Real happy about that.
Aaron, right?
Yeah. Love coming here and creating myself labor.
Like the flat tire the one time?
Yeah. 2.
2 flat tires.
He rode me right back there to about 1.5 feet of water, man. I was like, I wouldn't
Just these
do it.
2, right? What's
Yeah.
a boy?
So the 3.
Half and a half.
Yeah, I didn't want to drive back in that water last time, man. That was bad. That scared me.
You want one more? Because you're a big dog. You're a big dog.
I knew I was going to have problems when I got wet.
There you go, handsome guy. That is Lou Dog from inside the van. If anybody can say what that's from.
Smells like Lou Dog inside my van.
That's what it does. Quanto?
How much? 10 or 12?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11.
I can help you.
No, you can't help me. Ugh.
So sorry.
So sorry. So sorry.
Daddy, aluminum stars.
No, hold on.
Wow. Fucking gold.
Whew. Once. Whew. It's all right. I'll get this first. Yeah. He just had surgery on his stomach for cancer, and he's got like probably 25 stitches right there, so he's not really going to be able to help me. Huh? It's just, yeah, but it's all mixed together. Why would they do that?
That's
Steel.
no choice, man. Gotta give it to me. I'm sorry.
Trying to get to the radiators. No. They gotta get the radiators first. These guys.
Now you think they start working?
You see, we're gonna be here a minute. I'll put these two transmissions on the scale, then we'll be back. Watch out, Jose. Yeah, I'm just showing off. $525 and 11 batteries.
What is that?
What was what? It's a big number.
Over there?
Yeah,
What is that?
mine.
The time you pay?
No. Yeah, that's my pay for a day. Big old oil pan. Big old turbo. This? No? No? Just want to get this out of here if we can. Hold on. Huh? No. Brand new, slightly used. Ford Motor Company, so that's probably out of like a F-250, F-350. Hey, well, get that one out, yeah. It's this guy, and I want to get out. There we go, yeah. Okay, oh. The Corona. Hold on. Man, my shovel's gone already. Not even one day. That'd be a flat tire for somebody. Not even one day did my shovel last. What are you trying to say? Hey. Okay. Metal. Yeah. Dump it. Dump. Move this. Oh. No. No.
Right?
I'm fine. What are you trying to get?
Over there, look.
What? There's two more, but I'm not. Bueno. Bueno. Whew. 144. 144. That makes for $241.